Hello everyone, I'm Pial Islam. Today I'm recording my first tutorial video. It's about uh, graph searching method, which is depth first search, in short DFS. The video will have two parts. The first part will have the algorithm, and the second part, in the second part, I will give an example which will make you understand the method, DFS method properly. So in DFS, you need to search a node as deep as you can. This is the main thing you need to remember about DFS. And then you start from any arbitrary node. Okay, you start from any arbitrary node and then mark that node, and then you have to move uh, you have to move the adjacent node of that node which you are in right now. You can go in any adjacent node. There is no restriction in it. So, and after that we will continue this process until there is no unmarked node left. Okay. And one important thing that uh, when you reach at a node which I have no other way to go or no adjacent node to go, then you need to backtrack from that node. Okay. And then the total runtime of DFS is order of V plus E. Here V and E respectively are vertices and edges. Okay, now let's go to the example. Okay, here is the example. In this example, I will start from 1 and I will choose 1 as the root node. Okay, so at first I will go to 1 and color it as gray. I will color the gray which are visited. Okay, I will color the any node gray, and it will mean that that node is visited. Okay, and from 1 we will print 1 here, and we will push it in this stack 1, and then we have three options. I mean three adjacent node. We there 8, 5 and 16. I can choose any of them. Okay, let's choose 8. Okay, and now push it into the stack. Okay, and then color it as gray, and now you have two options. I mean two adjacent nodes, which is 4 and 16. You can choose any of them. Okay, I will choose 4 in this case. I will color it as gray as it is visited, and then print it, and then print it and push it into the stack. After that and from 4 you can go to 1. You can only go to the 1, the node that which contain 1, but you can go there because 1 is already visited. In DFS you can go to one node which is already visited. So here we need to backtrack. Okay, and we need to backtrack, and from and how we'll understand and where we have to go. If we backtrack from 4, we'll check the stack here, and from 4 we can go to 8. We can only go to 8. Okay, so in backtracking I will color it as black. Okay, I will color it as black. Sorry, I will color black. Okay, and after that, after coloring, I will pop out the 4 from the stack. Okay, and now we are on 8. And 8 has only one way to go, which is 16. Okay, which is 16. So we will go to 16 and color it as gray. Okay, and color it as gray, then print it and push it on the stack. Okay, and from 16 you can go anywhere. Yes, there is a path from 16 to 4, but 4 is already visited. You can go there. So we have to pop it. See, we have to pop 16 from the stack. Okay, pop, and then color it as black, as it is, as we are backtracking. Okay, and where did we reach? We reached at 8, and from 8 we can go anywhere, so we need to backtrack. So for backtracking, I will color it as black and pop it from the stack. Okay, and now we are on 1. We are on level, sorry, in node 1, and from 1 we have 3 options, but in this case we can go to 8 and 16 because as already they are visited, and so we have only one option, that is 5. So go to 5 and color it as gray because this is visited, we are visiting 5. After 5, the 5 has 2 options to go, but 16 is not possible, but so we need to go to 9. Oh, sorry. After visiting 5, you need to you need to print 5 and then push it to the stack. Now we are staying at 5, and from 5 we have only one option, that is 9. We will go to 9 and color it as gray. Okay, color it as gray and then print it, okay. So, and from 9 we have on the node 9 have only one adjacent node, that is 16, but this is already visited, we can't go to 16, so we need to backtrack from 9. So for backtracking we need to follow the same process. We will pop out 9 from the stack and color it as black. Okay, color it as black, and now from 9 we'll have to go to 5, and 5 have no other way to go as this is finished, and we will, as it is finished, we will backtrack, and for backtracking we will color it as black. Okay, and from 5, oh sorry, one more thing, we need to pop out 5 from the stack. Okay, now we are on 1. Okay, and from 1 we can't go anywhere because there is no other path left. Okay, so for backtracking we need to pop out 1 from the stack and color it as black. Okay, so this is DFS